Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we're going to go back to our garden beds that we started last year but did not have very good success. So let me show you what we did. Okay, we're going to tell Sharnie to park until further notice. These garden boxes did not do very good last year because we never added any fertilizer. I was thinking you just put them in the ground and they grow, but nope, they don't. So this year we are moving them to a new area and we're dumping each one out and adding 2 bags of this black cow manure to each box. We're going to mix it all up and put it back in there so that way we could have better use of our garden. Surprisingly, this stuff didn't stink or anything like that. It looked just like regular dirt. So we just kind of mixed it around and then I just filled up the boxes again. Look at me go, man. I don't know why I'm overweight if I could work that fast. And then we picked up what was left in and we poured it into each box. Boxes set back out here. We're going to put them in front of the storage building this time. Last year we had them in front of the playhouse. We're going to try this and see how this works. So we're going to get this all planted. We mixed in 2 bags of cow manure per box. And here is where we're going to get our water from those rain barrels. If you've seen the rain barrel video, put that under there. Get us some rainwater. There we go.
Coming out of the top.
Yeah, you can't pour it over too far.
Probably pounding them.
Yeah, it should be okay. With the netting on the bottom, any excess water goes out the bottom. You got zucchini squash, 3 zucchini squashes and a whole bunch of tomatoes. And then a spaghetti squash right here. We'll see how this turns out. Maybe we'll have a little better results this year. Live and learn. It's been a little over 2 weeks now. They've actually done pretty good. Let me show you. Don't those look nice? Tomatoes are doing good. We've got a couple tomatoes already coming in. We did not have anything last year. Adding that fertilizer really helped out. I don't know why we didn't even think about that. Look at how big it's getting, just a little over 2 weeks. Spaghetti squash is doing good. We even added a few extras since the last video, a little okra right there. And then I did 2 containers right here. We drilled holes in the bottom of them. There's 2 okras there, 2 okras there. I think we put a couple here on the end. I can't remember what these are. This is, oh, the zucchini squash, doing really good. So we've been watering them with our rain barrels. Plus, it's been raining a lot lately. So they're actually doing really good. So it's been a good success. And the neat thing about these raised boxes is we put a netting on the bottom. And so any water, you can't hardly overwater them because the water drains right out of them. So you don't have to worry about root rot. But so far so good. So we actually did a good job on it this time. So this year I think we're going to actually be able to enjoy it. Live and learn, that's what I always say. But anyways, thanks again for watching this video. You guys enjoy this beautiful weather. Get out and grow something. And you guys stay safe out there. Stay out of trouble. All right. Now, beautiful day like today. I think they need to mow the yard. Oh, wait a minute. The yard's already being mowed. I gotta find something else to do. I'm gonna work on my camper.